Hi everyone! In this short video, one of our affiliated locksmiths is going to show you how he's coding a new Subaru Transponder key. This is how it's actually done on site in case you lost all your keys or just want to have a spare set. This is a necessary procedure that requires a special machine for all key fobs and transponder keys. Before we start, we would really appreciate if you can like this video, and of course if you need any help you can contact us 24/7 and we will connect you with a locksmith near you.
Hello everybody, today we're working on a Subaru Forester 2018. We are going to add a new key into the system. The customer's key is right there. The machine is hooked up. We're going to go to add key. It tells us that we have to have a working key in the ignition, which we do. Right now it's reading the old key. It's going to tell us to remove it and insert the key that needs to be learned. Learning successful. Would you like to learn another one? No, we are complete. So Subarus, you have to have a working key for the new G system and 8 system in order to learn another key, or you would have to do all keys lost. And that's pretty much it. Now we were going to program the remote control feature of it. And let's take out the key. Alright, press the lock button and the unlock button. And we're going to try it with the old one also, just to make sure everything's good. That's it. We are all complete. 3 remotes. So the buttons work and the key starts the car. Subaru Forester 2018. Thanks for watching, guys.
That's it! I hope you liked this video and would really appreciate if you can give us the thumbs up, and thanks a lot for watching.